Hello students, welcome once again, and I think you all are doing good and are preparing for your exams. Today I will talk about the nephrons in human kidneys. Nephrons, as you all know, are the functional units of the kidneys. So the structure of the nephrons have been designed so that filtration of blood to get rid of the nitrogenous waste takes place very smoothly, and finally urine is formed. So start with the structure of the nephrons. It is the Malpighian capsule, which is having the Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus. Bowman's capsule is a funnel shaped structure or a cup shaped structure which is containing the glomerular capillaries, and the glomerulus is a bunch of knotted capillaries which have been formed by the afferent and efferent arterioles. The second part is PCT, which is very close to the Bowman's capsule, and it is coiled, so it is called convoluted. And this PCT is having a descending part. This tubule is having a descending part which is thick, but it is permeable to water. And this descending part is forming the loop of Henle or Henle's loop, and the ascending part of this Henle's loop is forming the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Distal because it is at a little distance from the Bowman's capsule, and convoluted again because coiled. So it is the Malpighian capsule, that is the Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus, and then PCT, then loop of Henle, then DCT. The DCT joins the collecting tubule, which finally collects the urine form. So students, this is the basic structure of the nephron that you have to remember. And what happens is the blood is filtered in the Bowman's capsule because of the difference in diameters of the afferent and efferent arterioles. So there is ultrafiltration, and the liquid part of the blood comes out in the cavity of the Bowman's capsule, which is having a large amount of water, urea, uric acid, and also some useful substances, other useful substances. But this water and some other useful substances have to be returned back to blood, otherwise the blood will lose its composition and its viscosity. So this reabsorption of water and other useful substances takes place in the PCT, and the filtrate runs down and forms through the loop of Henle, and in the loop of Henle also some reabsorption of water and calcium sodium ions takes place, and this filtrate is now going to the DCT. In the DCT, still if there is some unwanted substances in the blood, some chemicals, medicines, etc. are reabsorbed in the filtrate. So this filtrate, final filtrate is urine, and it is collected in the collecting tubule, and this collecting tubule, from this collecting tubule it comes to the medulla of the kidney, and from where it is carried through the ureters to the bladder, and timely urination takes place to empty the bladder. So this is the final function finally of this nephron. So structure and nephron, briefly I tried to explain. I think this will help you in your preparations. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.